Hi everyone, welcome back to another Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Brian, as many of you already know, but if you're new, what's up? You good? Here, I teach you Congolese moves, bit by bit, small, condensed videos. Me and my partner Cece, dance partner that is, she's got her own man. But me and my dance partner, we teach our moves here, just so everyone can get a little bit of the source of Congolese moves, and hopefully you guys can continue using this channel. But for today, man, there's a fly that went past me. It's very close. But anyways, for today's move, it's called DENDIKISA. DENDIKISA basically just means sauce, swagger. You know, you walk into a club or you walk into a wedding, you know, uzodenda. You know what I'm saying? You're going in with swagger, you're coming in with, you know what I'm saying, coolness, calm. So it goes a little bit like this. Easy. Very easy, right? So let's get into the video. See you on the other side.
Hi guys, Brian here for Congolese dance tutorials. Today we're going into the move of DENDIKISA. Right? So for this move, you have to make sure you sway your hips. You go slow and controlled, right? You go slow and controlled, and you add sauce. This move is all about sauce, fierté, swagger. Okay? So let's get straight into this move. DENDIKISA. I'll see you on the other side. Let's go.
So for this move, it's all about swaying of your hips. So obviously Congolese moves, I've always told you what's the most fundamental thing before you get here. What do you need to do with these two things? Make sure you bend them, even if it's just slightly. So never dance straight up, because it will never unlock this. So because there's not a lot of moves, there's not a lot of hip work, you don't need to bend your legs so much. If there was a lot of hip work, you bend your legs more to give you more leverage in your hips and your waist. So for this move, DENDIKISA, you start off with your legs, but you don't start dancing. You just put the platform in your legs. You just bend them a little bit, right? Just a little bit. So you start from here, and you go, boop. That's it. Yeah, just think of, you need to have your legs bent a little bit, because otherwise swaying makes it very difficult. If it's straight, unlock your legs, so to unlock your hips. So you start off here, right? I'm gonna speed to the side. Start off here, airplane going, so I'm just gonna slow down my speech. A little bit. Outside of you. Okay. Right, so back to me. We start here. Bend your legs a little bit, and pretty much, okay, well, I need to face you anyway. So you bend your legs a little bit, and all you wanna do is just sway, right? I'm including the hips, just so you can see how the move goes. But without the hips, you just wanna do this. But again, it's slow and controlled. So you're not doing this. It's not sharp movements. You're gradually getting there, right? So you're gradually just getting there and then move over. So you want to start off slightly quicker and then slow down once you get closer to the edge, which is just a little bit further out of your foot width. So you can see I'm standing relatively shoulder width. So once your body comes a little bit out of that and you feel pressure on that leg, slow it down and stop. And then back, right? And back, okay? And then for your hips, what we want to do is sway it from left to right. Again, slow, control. So not this. You don't want to move your bum. You want to move your hips. Your hips is where it wants to go, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mind you, I'm bending my legs. So you bend your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sway. 1, 2, 3. Sway. 1, 2, 3. Sway. 1, 2, 3. Sway. 1. And then you just add your arms at the end. Yeah? Like this. Like that. So, arms. It's just like you're grabbing something in front of you, but in a circular motion. Right? Circular. Circular. Or you can go straight down. But because everything is quite smooth, circle works better. So if you go straight, it's like you're grabbing something. You don't want to really be doing this. You just want to, oh yeah, mama, DENDIKISA. That's my move. I'm not gonna lie, this is my move. I love this move. I do this too. Pretty much once I've done all my, hitters, when my heart rate is too high and I want to calm down. Oh yeah, mama, DENDIKISA, papa, DENDIKISA. Oh yeah, ma. Anyways, cool. Right. I hope you understood everything I just went through now. So let's do to some music, of course. See you on the other side again. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial for DENDIKISA. I hope you enjoyed the rest of our videos. If you haven't and you're new here, go back. We've got about 20 odd tutorials to go and probably another 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Man, there's a lot of moves. So we're gonna go through all of them here on this channel. So stay locked in, subscribe, like, comment down below, and make sure we're DENDIKISA. Eh? A DENDIKISA. Ah, we're
babrosa dent, machine ya mandefu, kisanola.